Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover a brand new Google-approved technology to create ultra-fast, professional SEO-optimized business websites in red-hot niches in just 60 seconds. With no monthly fees and no annual fees during this launch period. So if you're looking to tap into the huge website building industry and provide red-hot website creation services to hungry audiences with no third-party dependency, then you're in for a surprise today. But before that, let me ask you this. Do you know there are more than 32 million small businesses in the USA? However, the shocking fact is approximately 60% of them don't have a good website. So it's crystal clear that having professional websites is not just necessary, it's compulsory for every business owner today to drive more audience for their offers. But creating websites is not as easy as it looks, and there are tons of problems you have to encounter. Now, if you too have been struggling to tap into this huge, untapped opportunity and remove all risks associated with it, you need to stop blaming yourself right now. Yes, after 28 months of countless sleepless nights and brainstorming sessions with loads of empty coffee cups, we're superbly excited to present this groundbreaking technology to you. Presenting Webelow. Brand new Google-approved technology to create ultra-fast, professional SEO-optimized business websites in red-hot niches in just 60 seconds. Webelow creates stunning SEO-optimized business websites in just 3 easy clicks. 1. Grab Webelow. 2. Insert details. 3. Publish and profit. And that's it. You're all set to create professional SEO-optimized business websites for red-hot niches like fitness, weight loss, dating, e-commerce, daycare, old age home, pets, self-improvement, make money online, cryptocurrency, technology, affiliate marketing, personal finance, and tons of top niches instantly. Here are some more amazing benefits of Webelow. Tap into huge, untapped $2.7 billion website building industry today. Create ultra-fast business websites for any offer in any niche in 3 clicks. Drag and drop editor for quick addition of glamorous elements. Choose from 100+ DIY website templates to create premium websites. Create fully mobile, responsive websites to drive endless smartphone traffic. Measure your ROI and other visitor statistics using Google Analytics integration from within your dashboard. Add pop-ups to prompt your visitors to instant action. Lightning speed loading with SSL encryption. Limitless hosting included at no extra cost, and much, much more. With this, you can stop paying huge sums of money to expensive freelancers and third parties and boost your profits hands down. So what are you waiting for? Webelow is available for just one-time price without any limitations, but just for this special charter launch of 7 days. And after this introductory phase, it's going to get back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. Go for this one-time investment that's fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. Now the clock is ticking here, so click on the button below and get instant access for this one-time low price before it turns into monthly recurring. Good luck. We'll see you inside.